Say goodbye to muggy, sweaty nights and unwelcome mosquitoes. Zeero Breezee is a brand that specializes in portable air conditioners designed for outdoor use. It's a portable and battery-operated. At just 16.5 pounds, the Mark II is easy to lift with one hand, can be carried anywhere with ease. With the Mark II, cooling is just a button press away. No installation required. Remote control is also available for added convenience. It boasts a 2,300 BTU output, which is suitable for personal cooling in close proximity. The 840 watt-hour battery allows for 3 to 5 hours of operation on a single charge. Zeero Breezee seems like a good option if you're looking for a way to stay cool during outdoor activities like camping or spending time at the beach. If you are planning an outdoor movie night, having the right projector screen can make all the difference. OEG outdoor screens are an excellent choice for outdoor entertainment. Durable, easy-to-assemble steel frame won't bend in the wind like other folding screens. Designed to be lightweight, the size of OEG outdoor screens is about 92-inch diagonal, widescreen, having a viewing dimensions about 80.5-inch width and 45 height. Perfect light reflectivity and ultra-sharp 4K, HD, and 3D viewing. Prices start around $129.99 depending on size, with 1-year limited warranty. The next one is the latest fridge evolution, Anker Everfrost. This masterpiece is equipped with 100-watt solar panels, not just for the purpose of cooling food, but also work for charging your gadgets through its 299 watt-hour built-in battery. Here comes with USB and USB-C connectors for convenience. Similar to regular fridges, Everfrost lets you adjust the temperature going as low as -20 degrees Celsius. Forgot your drinks in the sun, and then now at 25 degrees Celsius. Toss them in the fridge, and in just 30 minutes they will hit 0 degrees Celsius. Even without ice. This magical device is priced at $800. Whether you're planning a family weekend or embarking on an adventure, the Everfrost is your reliable companion for keeping things cool anytime, anywhere. Meet Hitch Home, the world's first inflatable structure tent that attaches to your car like this, a box resembling a garbage can. Lets you ditch the trailer and reveals a comfy 3-person's tent. It offers 22% more space than similar roof tents. Thanks to its air-inflated design, you'll be ready to relax in just 3 minutes. The 15-centimeter thick airbed is a nice addition, ensuring a cozy and comfortable night's sleep. The whole package, including the box and tent, it weighs only 35 kilograms and come with a handle and wheels for easy one-person transport. So, if you're ready to elevate your camping adventures, the Hitch Home awaits. Now the only question left is whether you are ready to pay $1,770 for it. How light can a hiking hammock be? The ENO Double Nest creators have achieved a weight of just 540 grams. Yet the hammock can comfortably hold up to 181 kilograms. The ENO is spacious enough for 1 or 2 people. Breathable and quick-drying fabric. Triple-stitched seams for added strength. Has an added bonus. It features a built-in pocket for cans and bottles. The ENO Double Nest is available for $75 and comes in a variety of colors. Whether you're camping or just enjoying the outdoors, the ENO Double Nest hammock is a versatile and comfortable choice. If you're looking for a portable water purification system, Fullingway might be just what you need. It allows you to get pure, clean water wherever you are. Simply fill the system from streams, lakes, or any water source, and it filters out 99.99% of harmful substances. Fullingway works quickly, filtering 500 milliliters of water per minute. Plus, a single charge purifies a whopping 200 L of water. Recharging is versatile too, can be recharged manually, by solar power, or by USB. Stay hydrated with nature's finest. Make Fulling Way your water cooler. The Hiker Power is an innovative solution that combines a traditional backpack with a power supply, making it the world's first of its kind. Padded waist belt, shoulder straps, and mesh back for comfort. With 600 watt-hour of stable power support, the Hiker Power can handle various devices. Multiple output ports for charging or powering electronic devices, with integrated LCD screen to view charge level and output wattage. Additionally, it features the world's first side-plug AC outlet, allowing users to use outdoor tools, e-bikes, or scooters without worrying about charging cord length. Despite its powerful capabilities, the Hiker Power weighs only 18 pounds. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during outdoor adventures. Having a water-resistant design. In case of heavy rain or snow, users can pull out the hidden 3D rainproof cover inside the bag to protect the Hiker Power. The Hiker Power can be charged using a 120W portable solar panel with 75% energy conversion efficiency. The backpack features adjustable ambient lighting and reading lights on the top, providing bright illumination. It also has 4 colors and 3 modes for safety during night rides. You will find various inflatable structures that let you create a whole campsite castle. But here is a more intriguing option. The Cave XL tent by Heim Planet. While folks with inflatable castle battle was set up, the Cave XL owners pitches in less than a minute using a pump. This tent is meant for 3 people, weighs around 5 kilograms, and packs neatly into a backpacking case. When folded, the KVA XL comes at a price of $12. Whether you're camping in winter or facing extreme weather, the Cave XL has you covered. The Dookan is more than just a tent. It's a 2-story structure with awnings and hammocks, offering a level of compass and convenience that supposes traditional tents, while regulate tents feel like small basic apartments. The Dookan is more akin to a luxurious loft or a penthouse. Port sets to the pass is its ease of setup. A single person can assemble it in just 15 minutes. Designed to accommodate up to 4 persons, its universal support make it suitable for various terrains, including snowy areas and shallow water. With a frame capable of supporting loads up to 300 kilograms, it's both sturdy and versatile. Plus, you can use the hammocks and frames separately. However, the only downside is the price, which even with a discount comes to $2,750 on Kickstarter. Introducing Evo Trail, the ultimate self-following e-wagon. Are you tired of lugging heavy loads around? Meet Evo Trail, the game-changer in transportation. This innovative e-wagon offers hands-free convenience like never before. Whether you're exploring rugged trails or navigating city streets, Evo Trail has your back. With an impressive 15-mile follow-up range, it intelligently shadows your every move. The Ultra Power system effortlessly conquers uphill terrain, even when carrying a hefty 200-pound load. Thanks to UWB technology and RF beacons, Evo Trail's precision positioning ensures accurate tracking. Its rugged all-terrain tires handle any surface, and the foldable design makes it a breeze to transport. Say goodbye to strain and hello to hassle-free hauling with Evo Trail.